Next topic, iron pentacarbonyl. Iron pentacarbonyl. FeCO5. Iron pentacarbonyl. In this, first we discuss about preparation. Preparation. First, we take a metal, that is the iron Fe. Iron means Fe. Fe react with carbon monoxide gas. Carbon monoxide gas at 200 centigrade temperature and maintain 200 atmosphere pressure to form FeCO5 means iron pentacarbonyl. Next we discuss about structure and electronic configuration. So electronic configuration, iron electronic configuration, argon 3D 6 4s2 4p0. So now orbital, d orbital 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 electrons are there. Next s orbital 1 2, in p orbital 0 electrons. Now iron in excited state, in excited state 1 2 3 4 5 s orbital, p orbital. Electron filling completely opposite Hundu rule, means against to Hundu rule. Just we count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 electrons are there. So filling 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is the against to Hunds rule. So finally the empty orbital dsp. So means 1d orbital s. So p1 2 3. So sp3, dsp3. Hybridization is dsp3. So next we discuss about structure. So Fe, it middle, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide. So like this, iron pentacarbonyl structure. So this structure name trigonal bipyramid. Trigonal bipyramid. Hybridization dsp3, structure trigonal bipyramid. So it is the diamagnetic nature. So because there is no single electron, that's why it shows diamagnetic nature. At the same time, nickel tetracarbonyl also show diamagnetic nature. Next we discuss about iron inacarbonyl. Generally Fe to CO, Fe to CO9, iron inacarbonyl. In this first we discuss about preparation. Preparation also easy. So we take 2 moles iron pentacarbonyl. 2 moles iron pentacarbonyl. So it converted to iron inacarbonyl Fe2CO9 and carbon monoxide. So in this Fe2CO9 is a crystal. Next properties. So the iron inacarbonyl doesn't dissolve in water and ether. Next, it is the pure compound, and this iron inacarbonyl doesn't react with air. Next, this compound at 100 centigrade temperature completely this compound deviate to form carbon monoxide and iron. Next we discuss about the structure. So in this, how many carbon monoxides are there? 9. So metals 2. So first we write iron. So CO. Next CO. So 3 are complete. Again 3 and again 3. Overall 9 carbon monoxide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So completely 9 carbonyls are there and 2 metal ions are there. So in this generally the hybridization D2sp3. So in this Fe metal bond is there and the hybridization D2sp3. Next we discuss about iron dodecacarbonyl. Iron dodecacarbonyl Fe3CO12. Name is iron dodecacarbonyl. So first we discuss about preparation. In this first we take 2 moles iron inacarbonyl. How many? 2 moles. Fe2CO9. 2 moles iron inacarbonyl. At the temperature, it form iron pentacarbonyl and iron dodecacarbonyl. So simply when we apply heat to iron inacarbonyl to form iron pentacarbonyl and iron dodecacarbonyl. This is the preparation. Next we discuss about the structure. So structure, 2 types of structures are there. One is FeCO4. At the same time CO, FeCO4 or another Fe. So 3 metals are there. Next CO. This side CO. So CO. In this 4 CO. Next CO, CO, CO. This is the another structure. So in this Fe, bond length is 2.80. Bond length is Fe. Bond length is 2.80 angstroms. So this is the iron dodecacarbonyl structure. There is no we discuss about magnetism and hybridization. So just we learn preparation and structure only. Next we discuss about last one, chromium carbonyl. Chromium carbonyl. Last one we discuss about chromium carbonyl. Chromium carbonyl. So first we discuss preparation. Preparation. So in this we take chromium metal and it react with carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide at high temperature. At high temperature. At high temperature to form chromium carbonyl. Chromium carbonyl. This is the preparation of chromium carbonyl. Next, structure. Structure. So chromium electronic configuration and ground state. So argon 3d5, 4s1, 4p0. 4p0. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So follow Hund's rule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4s1, 1 electron. 4p0. So that's why there is no electrons. If chromium excited state. So in excited state, we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it follow against Hund's rule. Against Hund's rule. That's why the hybridization. So D2, yes, P3. D2 sp3. D2 sp3. The hybridization is D2 sp3. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. So means paired. In this empty. Completely 6 empty orbitals there. In this carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide. So finally the structure, chromium, so CO, carbon monoxide, carbon monoxide nothing but carbonyl. CO, completely 6 CO are there. So 1 chromium. So hybridization D2 sp3 and this structure octahedral. So completely paired. So there is no single electron. That's why the magnetic nature is diamagnetic nature. So this is the chromium carbonyl. Thank you.